Hello everyone! AliExpress continues to be one of the most popular online marketplaces for affordable shopping. Whether you're buying gadgets, fashion, or home essentials, there are always deals to be found. In this video, I'll show you how to save even more on AliExpress orders by using our referral link in the description to this video. Now, AliExpress offers millions of products across tech gadgets and accessories, fashion for men, women, and kids, home improvement tools and decor, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products, and honestly, guys, much more. One of the best features is the Daily Flash Deals section where you can find trending products on heavily discounted prices. They also have bundle offers, bulk discount, and new user coupons for first time buyers. In 2025, for example, AliExpress is also enhancing their local warehouse shipping, which means faster delivery times for many regions. Make sure to check out the AliExpress Choice section, where the platform curates the best rated products with added discount and guarantees. To maximize your saving, make sure to shop using the referral link in the description. This will unlock new user coupons, seasonal discount codes, and exclusive cashback offers. So, AliExpress already gives you unbeatable prices, but with our link you can save even more on every order.